Hi everybody, today we are going to see how to install Python software in your computer and how to run Python programs in your computer. Let us see how we can do it. This is a very useful video. Please share with all. Go to Google and search for Python. Now you can see the official website python.org is there. In this, click downloads. You can see here the Python software for Windows is available. Click on this Python. This version, latest version, click on that version so that it will be downloading. Once it is downloaded, open that file, that exe file. Now Python will be installed in your system. You can see here the setup progress is going on. Once the entire Python software is installed, you can see you can either modify, repair or uninstall for the latest version. Now go to command prompt. In this, type Python, Python. Now we have entered into the Python software. Now you can type anything. I am going to type print welcome to Educrawl Python session. So after this, close the braces and click enter. Now you can see welcome to Educrawl Python session is visible. Now if you want to exit from this session, type exit, open braces and close braces, press enter so that you will exit from Python session. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.